Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Check out the ZeePet D90 Pet Fountain. This is a 118 ounce bowl. And let's see what we got here. So this comes with a filter. It's quiet. It gives like a kind of a running water effect, so the cats and dogs are more attracted to it. Filters the water too, so it cleans it. Pump maintenance, got a pump in here, cleaning steps, how to do that, little barcode there if you wanted to be able to do that, or a QR code, I'm sorry. All right, inside we have this right here, and looks like that's everything in the box. All right, what do we got here? It's nicely packaged. It's like a stainless steel. That is nice. Stainless steel bowl there. We have the user manual. And on top, looks like we have a lid here. Okay. So in the lid, we have this filter. Charcoal filter. Water comes out of here, runs down into here, makes a nice little bowl here for the cats or dogs to drink out of. And also then the filter, water runs down through the filter back into the bowl and just continues that process. Okay, a couple of cleaning things here. Looks like a little bristle brush and a little foam one also. A couple bristle brushes in there. What do we have here? Not sure what that is. It looks like it'll go on here somehow. I'll actually figure this out, and I'll do a little quick tutorial on this so we know what's going on here. Well, we have pet water, fountain accessories. And let's see what's in here. Oh, awesome. So it comes with a bunch more charcoal filters. So they're in this one, there's 6 of them. Little charcoal filter pads, that's nice. And there's the bowl. It's got a little indicator here on the side so you see how much water's in there. And then we have this right here. All right, so we have, this can be plugged into the wall, looks like. There's that, there's a plug-in right there. I was looking for, I don't see a hole. There's no hole in the bowl, which is good. That's it for that. And then we have the pump device. So here it is. This can plug in there. Looks like it's got a little some kind of sensor there. And there's that. And this can either just bubble out the top, or you can put this in here and create a little water fountain for the animals there. All right, I'm gonna just kind of go over this a little bit, get it set up so you guys can see how it works. Pretty excited. Let the cats check it out too. So we'll be right there. Okay, so to assemble this isn't very difficult. If you don't want the water faucet here, you just pull it out and it does a little bubble. But either way, this is a little rubber piece here, and that just fits right in there. So this turns it into a faucet, or you can have this out and it just bubbles up right there. Okay, and this piece right here on the bottom, we have this white filter portion, and then it's a little bit wet there. This charcoal filter goes into that. And this just slides right down into here and locks into place like that. Okay, so this is a little shield here that redirects the water, and that slides in from the back just like that. You have your bowl here and this little motor goes in there. This motor can be adjusted for flow. It has this little sensor right here, up or down, and that increases or decreases the flow. It has this little rubber pipe extension there, and then this little part can come off, and there's a little filter in there. Now on the bottom of this, it has that little diagram there, and that shows, has these little pads on the bottom. This just sticks onto the bottom right where that is with those suction pads, just like that. This light indicator, just leave that in the bottom like that, and then this, your plug-in, is going to go on this little piece here. It's going to slip in there. So it goes in the side and then up and out, just like that. It hooks on there. Okay, super simple setup. And then when this goes on there, this just fits in there. This bottom portion is going to go right into that hole there. Just kind of slips in there. Set up nice and easy. And then we can plug it in. The main thing I wanted to see was this little light indicator there. So I'll plug it in real quick. So there's the light right there. You can see, turn my light off. Doesn't really help out that much. Put a little light in there too. This is super quiet. It's actually on. I don't want it to run with that on there though. So that's it. Pretty easy to set up. And then if you just need to change out your filters, that comes with a bag with like the 6 filters there, so you can change it out. And just every once in a while, make sure you want to wash this out real good so stuff doesn't build up in there and get your pets sick. So fresh water is still important and all that. This just cycles, so you don't want to leave it in there for like a month or whatever without cleaning it. So, all right, let's go see how the cat's like this. Fresh water, guys. I'm thirsty. Drink. Look, you're thirsty, buddy. Oh, I got a little bit on his face. It's okay, buddy. He likes it. Oh, is it, Boogie? You can drink the water. It's okay. You must be thirsty. Alright, let's try the bubble feature, I think. You can drink. Kitties. There, he's thirsty. Let's try the other way. There. You guys get some water. It's okay. They're interested. Maybe if I turn it down a little bit. Boogie, you thirsty? We're good kitties. Wanna try it, Boogie? Yes, there you go. You can drink. It's okay. I think they like it. It's just interesting for them. You can put your little paw on there, Booger. I think you might like the other one better. It's okay, buddy. You can drink. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine, buddy. Are you thirsty? You can drink the water. It's fine. Filtered water. Aw. You like it, Boogie? Oh, how cute. He's drinking it. He likes it. Is that interesting, Boogie?